Yeah, good everyone and welcome to Harmless TV. How my people won't come give una the new development wetin come dey happen concerning this our Nigerian soldiers, the army in particular, how they do their own movement this time now. Because now no say because of the thing when it be say na happen for Lekki Toll Gate, many people don't they fear about all these police and all those military men, all these soldiers say they go they shoot them, they go they kill them. So when we can't get one kind of information, when they brief put for our ear, when it be say military people they send the message, can't tell us say make we give the information to the population, say if they not they do violence with them, if they not they beat them, they not they pursue them, if they not they break things, they not they do any bad things, say them will be soldiers, they not go shoot them. So we even can't challenge the soldiers, say now line on the top, because the people when I go shoot for Lekki Toll Gate, they not do no anything. So how manage now can't they tell us that one? But later now we can't understand, say really say they can't still let us know, say these people when it be say they go shoot for Lekki Toll Gate, so those people are bad soldiers for inside though, because those ones now then they collect bribe from the government. And no say after the thing can even can happen finish self, the police, the soldier men when he be say na then shoot for Lekki, none of them come and can't talk the truth. Now no say person when he be say na him do thing, he go hard and to come say waiting talk waiting happen now, because you know the repercussion, you know waiting he go face, you understand. So they can't they turn the matter. So but nevertheless now we still keep on the advice when he be say our military men they still tell us, because the way they not go use, because we not go use because of them, can't just lose hope for where our soldiers they, because now we know that they fight for, you understand. Now for our betterness now make the day for war front. So the soldiers now can't let us know say really they not go do us anything if when it be say we keep calm with them, say we not they do any bad thing. Say those people when it be say that they commit bad things, say na bad people, so maybe they try, maybe we recognize them. So now so we can say okay, oh, we understand. So maybe we look whether waiting the military men, when they tell us, waiting all these soldier people tell us whether really that they do and like that. So now we can't put eye for ground. They look their character, they look their behavior, how they go take they behave with us. So now so we can't find out. Cause say many of all these military when it be say they tell us say they no go kill, say they be then keep people for Toll Gate. They come they tell us say people kill for Toll Gate now bad people. So we can say those military men now true that they tell us, because if you see underground now waiting can they happen now for them, you go see say really waiting they keep on their word, say if we will not commit any violence with them, if we know they pursue them, we know they drag anything, we know they break any place, say they no go touch us. So make una watch this short video, make we see the kind small thing when it be say they do, when it be say we happy when we go on appreciate them, say make they keep it up. See this first video.
In Lagos and every other places, the future is ours.
Yeah.
The future is yours.
Yeah.
But we cannot take the future by doing this. It's understood. You understand? Yes. If they slap your brother, you go vex. Let us try as much as possible to control ourselves. So, gentlemen, let's calm down.
So my people, I think you know don't see him. Maybe we still take a look at this other video sharp.
If Akim is here, you're not addressing that way. If Odumosu is here, you're not addressing that way. Talk to me. If you don't know my rank, let me walk you so that you see. No, listen to me when I talk to you. You bloody well listen to me. As a professional police officer, you bloody well. Hey, gentlemen, somebody record what I'm saying, so that when I'm going to charge you, I will charge you even to your first headquarters. I say stop shooting. I've appealed to people, they should move back. You people continue shooting, firing tear gas. I say move your vehicle behind the Air Force vehicle, so that I'll serve as a buffer between you and these people. Your guys are fighting. You have refused since how many minutes I've been here. Now I'm giving you a direct instruction. Move your vehicle behind the Air Force vehicle. The Air Force is going to serve as a buffer between you and them. Now go ahead and do that, and let me be able to talk to these people. I say please go and do what I have said. And warn your people, I don't want a single shot. I don't want a single tear gas. I don't want a single shot or a single tear gas. You just withdraw.
Even for Cross River State, when be Calabar, make we see as military men as they lead down, they beg all those hoodlums, say I beg, make them not go put fire for the places when they say they won't go put fire. May we watch them.
In Lagos and every other places. The future is ours.
Yeah.
The future is yours.
Yeah.
But we cannot take the future by doing this. It's understood. You understand?
Yes.
If they slap your brother, you go vex.
Let
us try as much as we
not be animal.
So, gentlemen, let's calm down.
So my people, I think una don't see all those soldiers they there to protect us. So make una not come they do all those una gara for their present. And if una hear from anywhere where they will tell una say make una they kill soldiers, make una they burn their station, they burn everywhere, they collect their gun. Make una not they do like that too, because those people are deceivers. How person go tell you say make you they kill soldiers? What did soldiers do you? You understand? Make you go they burn the police stations. It get a CB, they burn the stores. It get a CB. And make una not forget say Boko Haram they still hide for somewhere. If una finish to the bomb all this police station, they put fire for everywhere. At last, una not gonna get ammunition. We will determine I'll tell it call. And secondly, all those places when I go the box now, they carry food, they pack everything. Now, person I get that store. Maybe government get all those store. You don't understand? Okay, now can imagine person now when all of now they protest together. If you wake up the next day, go find out say he complain, they don't break her. If the person no go, you no go sweet and for mine now. We will not so those kind of thief, all those kind of break, say now hoodlums, now then they do ammo. But we still they see the population, the protesters when be say some of themselves, people they carry some electronics for bank, for everywhere, because you see even people for Calabar, where they for bus places when they carry electronics. We see people for Enugu, we see people for Lagos, for everywhere, for Iyo, everywhere. You understand? So we know waiting they happen. So but we will take go to the beg una. Say make una remember so all those things when they spoil. Now I still get some more. Even the bank self when say people go they break. You understand? So tomorrow night if this thing don't finish now, you carry your ATM and go back. Who you go ask money? Government go tell you say now I break and say what they make everybody exercise patience. So make una not do anything go be say go affect now tomorrow. Men are not they fight all on our police, they beat all on our soldiers. I beg all those police people when be said they don't fuck up. As the government they talk and say they go treat them fuck up. So that one the law now go take it. Because maybe for us to come they use our hand, they beat them, they burn them, they cut their neck. They it get the way when that kind of pictures and that kind of videos they show for person body. Everybody will come they against at last if you not come they do all that kind of thing. I even see some people say when it be say that they beat one man, they say the man a pastor, say that they give you offering, this one, all that kind of thing no good. Now we okay, how will come they do ourselves now? Okay, now I don't see the conflict now. When see they rise up now. Men, I remember if you come they fight our brothers like this tomorrow, who will go still defend us? So I beg una, make una know say soldiers they come out for una. They even some self even still they inside bush because of una. Government give them food, government don't give them food. They did there because now waiting the volunteers and they come out to save their people. Make una use one mind to live together so that all these war safe, all this conflict when be say people they put I say go turn to another thing, make it for turn to better thing for our body, make it not can cause bloodshed for our land. You understand? Now the maintenance my carry can give una. So now do well. Soldiers only be say, now they do this better work on with the system. God go bless now do and God go still they protect now they give now the strength. When it be say now will take the guide in our people. So now when it be say now go they shoot. Hey, make una take una time because this time maybe the time when I go they do anyhow they hide this time person nyash they open. If you like you make you off camera, we get secret camera when go they register everything. So make una come out, confirm what it can happen. If not beg, una go beg the population, make una beg them so that everybody go here. Because person when be say losing picking or losing husband, you losing mother or sister, anybody for inside that place or in friend, you know go they happy with you now. So I rest my case, my people. Make una let them know say what they do not good. Make them come apologize. We will see the wait for now. Thank you all for watching and remain blessed. Bye for now.
It's Melody Sound.